So I think we can start, though some other people will be joining with us very shortly. There are some other persons will be there in the session. So I'm sure that I'm audible and visible both. And
Yes, sir, you are audible and visible. And our resource person, Mr. Rakesh Khanna, is also here.
Mr. Rakesh is also there. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Rakesh, for your time. And I'll be taking a couple of minutes initially, and then I will hand over to you so that you can continue with the content details. What are the learning points from this course? How the delegates will be benefited from this course. So let me share my screen, and I'll be taking around 10 minutes time. And I'll be sharing with you a presentation where I will show you regarding the institute credential and also the course administration procedure, how the course will be administered. And regarding the curriculum, one of our resource person for this course is Mr. Rakesh Khanna. He is with us to describe about the learning outcomes from the curriculum. So let me share my screen. Yes, I'm sure my screen is also visible now. So welcome on board once again for the program Postgraduate Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety, hosted by World Academy. World Academy is a certification institute for professional education based in United Kingdom. We are operating right now more than 60 countries, in fact. Our motto is shaping expertise, nurturing ambitions, elevate your potential. So we are working with the professional. Majority of our courses are professional courses for the development of the professional competencies to uplift the career of professionals globally. So most of our courses are globally recognized, and we do work with different institutes across the globe. We are ISO certified organization, ISO 21001, 2018, and also other couple of certifications we do have. So we are in the areas of learning management system, in the areas of quality management system, in the areas of personal certifications, we do have our ISO certification. That is the global affiliation we have. We offer program. I said more than 60. Yes, it is. Though it has been written now 57, but for the last couple of months we have developed some other countries as well. We are the member of American Accreditation Association, and we are the approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professional. Majority of our certified professional courses are being validated by Cambridge Academy of Professional, which is an UK-based certification awarding body. We are also approved center by ProfQual. You know, this course, PGDOSH course, is also accredited by ProfQual. ProfQual is a certification bodies for higher education. I mean, diplomas and postgraduate diplomas, higher diplomas, these are the programs being accredited by ProfQual. And approved center by Board of HR certification. All of our HR courses is being validated by Board of HR certification, which is an UK-based organization again. We are the approved provider of HRCI, SHRM, and ATD-USA. So the recertification provider of these three organizations, those are in HR certification bodies in the world. We are accredited institute by International Professional Accreditation Council. That is a Singapore-based organization for professional bodies. So they usually accredit institutes and their courses. We are also a SHRM academically aligned institute. That means we do have our affiliation with SHRM for our HR certifications. We're the member for CBT certification service. We are partner of Singapore Training and Development Association. So these are our couple of global affiliation for World Academy. And you will be wondering to know this course, PGDOSH course, is accredited by OSHA Association, OSH Association, Occupational Safety and Health Association. That is an UK-based association, you know. And this the certificate will contain the stamp, this stamp, so that is another feather for this course. So, I mean, particularly in the areas of health and safety, OSH Association in UK is a global association for health and safety professional. Right? So this course is also being validated by OSH Association. What are the features for this? 40 practical focused modules. You can understand that there are 40 modules inside of the course, 8 months duration. Total duration is 8 months. The live online classes. There are live online sessions, and class is on evening time. Every Friday, class time is 7:30 to 10:30. Am I correct, Nazmul? It's 7:30 from Bangladesh time, which is, or 8 to 10:30. Nazmul, please let us know the class timing. But anyway, it is an evening class, and also the Friday only class.
Yes, sir. It is 8 to 10:30 Bangladesh time, among 2 to 4:30 GMT.
Very good. Thank you very much. So 2.5 hours class, which is 2 to 4:30 p.m. GMT on every Friday. And then online exam, if you attend exam through online, there will be video tutorial for each and every module and every class. You will get video tutorial for every modules. There are books and materials we will give free at cost. You need not to buy any other things. So whatever we will be given, that will be sufficient for the course. Live interaction through learning management system and live chat support. So 40 modules, each module has 1 hour and 15 minutes class. As I told you, 2 hours and 30 minutes per day. I mean, every Friday, 2 hours and 30 minutes session. That means in every Friday, we will be covering 2 modules. So one module will be for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And there will be a couple of review sessions as well. There will be total 10 exams, 10 subjects, 10 exams. So that is another very important facilities for the course, that once you complete one subject, you will be attending the final exam for that subject. So you need not to memorize so many things at a time. And the exam has 2 types, MCQs and written or essay type. In the same exam, there are 2 parts. So the MCQ question, there will be 20 questions. Each question has 2 marks, so 40 marks. And written question, 2 questions, which contain 30 marks each, so total 60 marks. And 1 project work or thesis at the end of the course. There is a scoring framework, 100 into 10, 10 exams into 100 equal to 1,000, 60 minutes time for exam. And 1 project 300, and in-session activity and presentation 200 marks, so total 1,500. And that will be the assessment framework. This is the grading system. Less than 50 is fail. That means you need to get at least 50% to qualify in different exams. And the highest is 80%, which is A plus, GPA 4. That is 80% marks. These are the resource pool from India, from Sri Lanka, from Malaysia, from Bangladesh. So different resources. Out of these, number 3, Mr. Rakesh Khanna is with us today to let you know what are the curriculum, what are the insights of the course. Okay, so these are the resource pool for this course. We will have live sessions, assignments, case, quiz tests. So many things are there to ensure your learning. So how the course will be administered? As this will be done through our learning management system, I'm sure you will be provided 2 things. One is course manual, another is our YouTube channel link, where you will find video tutorial, how to operate the learning management system. So you will be understanding how you can go through materials, videos, download materials, attend exams, everything. There will be video tutorial in our YouTube channel. Usually, within 1 or 2 days' time, we will be uploading the material in the portal. You will get the material in the portal, and you can download the material from the portal. Class notification will be available in the WhatsApp group. Sometimes classes can be shifted, but it will be on the other week, not any other day. Class will be on Friday only. If in any case, any Friday, the class cannot be held, in that case, the class will be held on other Friday. Class may not be conducted in the sequence of the module. There are module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not necessary that the class will be conducted according to the sequence of the module. Usually it is, but in some cases, due to trainers' availability, it can be changed. All materials will be shared through the learning management system, and more important is the attendance will be recorded. So once you attend the class, please rename yourself so that the system can detect your attendance. Review and question answer session. Class recording won't be shared. As I told you earlier, there will be video tutorial, but we will not share the class recording. Please note, I repeat, we will not share the class recording, but there will be video tutorial for each and every module. Opportunity to attend one makeup exam free at cost. You can attend the makeup exam without any further fees one time. For any further attempt for the exam, you need to pay. Then once you complete the course, your electronic certificate will be shared with you through email within 1 or 2 weeks time. You will also receive a digital badge like this one at the top right corner. You can see bottom right corner, PGDOSH badge. So one this badge, digital badge, you will receive within 10 days of the result publication. And printed certificate we usually send 3 times in a year. So once it is completed, you will receive this in the next slot. And expectation from you, if you feel that the course is really worthy for the professionals, please try to promote, try to share through your network so that some other people can come and join with us. Today is the orientation only, and the class will be starting from the next week. Mr. Nazmul, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm
From
already shared the flyer in the chat
from the
box.
7th of April, the first session. So during these 5-6 days, anyone can enroll. That's why I told you, requested you, if you feel the course is really worthy for the professional, please share through your network so that anyone can join with us. So that is from my side for the course administration. Mr. Rakesh, are you there? Sir, you are muted.
Yeah, Mr. Nair, I'm here. I'm sorry, I don't have any presentation to do because I'm actually outside. Because I was told that this is an orientation discussion.
Okay. So
Yeah,
what can
so
I
I
do?
don't. Yeah, so you all need to.
I'm sharing the slides so that you can just discuss about the module wise what they will be learning from this. Or Nazmul, can you do that, please?
Yes, sir, I can.
You
I'm
can
sharing
share
my
the
screen.
slides module wise so that Mr. Rakesh can give an idea about the module wise learning points, what they will learn, the delegates will learn from the session. And if there is any other question from participants, you will be answering there regarding the curriculum.
I think mainly just to summarize this thing, I think we don't need to go through all the modules. Just to summarize it, this is actually a diploma program, all right? And what we have done previously, few sections, few batch already. So we will actually start with the introduction of OSHA, right? What is occupational safety and health? And we will go down to what exactly is the organization all about, right? Roles and responsibility, who actually is competent to do safety or not, right? What are the elements that is actually involved in the organization? So we'll go through that as we go on, all right? So I think mainly we have about 14 to 20 subjects to cover as what previously we have done. So what we will do is whenever we finish a training program, we will also give you the notes for it. So my method is very simple. When I finish my slide, I will actually give you notes for these things in detail. All right.
Right. So what can I do, Rakesh? Let me go through the module wise little bit of introduction. After that, if there is any question from the participants regarding any particular module, you can answer that. That will be fine, right?
All right. Can.
Perfect. Francisco, do you have any question?
Excuse me, this is Tapan Kumarnath from Dhaka. I have joined few minutes later. I would like to actually know how I can use this training module in my working place, and what will be my status, auditor or trainer or duty, how we can work with this knowledge in our organization.
Thank you very much, Kumar. Actually, this is a postgraduate diploma program. So in terms of the status, you will be holding the diploma certificates and the learning will be there. How can you apply for all the modules? Let me go through the modules first so that you can understand the module depth. And then you will be understanding how we can apply this learning in your workplace. Okay. Francisco, just wait for another 5 minutes. I'm going through the modules. The first unit is Introduction to HRC, where you will learn 4 modules. Introduction and significance of health and safety. Very introductory discussion will be there. Organizational safety culture. How you can develop the safety culture in your organization. What are the points to be noted? What are the points to be considered? Then role, responsibility, and competencies of safety professional. If you want to claim yourself as a safety professional, what competencies you need to achieve and what could be your role and responsibility. So that will be discussed in module 3. In module 4, the traditional and proactive safety management. So that means who's there? So you will be learning regarding these 4 areas under unit 1. Under unit 2, health and safety strategic management. Here you see there are a couple of items: occupational safety and health policy and planning, organize and implement, risk assessment, review and improvement. So all are regarding the policy issues and strategic part of safety management. You will be learning under unit 2. In unit 3, again, there are 4 modules: fire and electrical safety. This unit is combining 2 items: fire and electrical safety. Fire safety, hazard and control, tools and technique for fire safety. These 2 modules for fire, and another 2 modules for electrical safety, hazard control and risk, and preventive measure of fire and electrical safety. So I'm sure Mr. Topon can connect. So these are the issues usually we maintain in our workplace. We need to do it so that you can easily understand how you can apply. In unit 4, workplace safety. What are the issues in the workplace safety? Transport safety, environmental management and pollution, occupational hygiene, ergonomics, safety and risk management, even manual handling hazard. Where we will do manual work, we can also use this module 16. And unit 5, working at height. If there is any organization where you need to work at the upper hand, not at the floor level. What can you do? The concept of fall protection, ladders and stairways safety. What are the safeties you need to maintain regarding the ladders issues or stairway perspective? Scaffolding safety, hoisting and rigging safety. These are the instruments you need to use while you are working at height. Then unit 6, hazard communication and industrial hygiene. How can you maintain the hazard communication? Like HASCOM, I'm sure the safety professionals are aware about it. So introductory part of HASCOM, understanding the chemical hazard and safety, and very important is safety data sheet. For any kinds of hazardous industry, if you are working, there are safety data sheet. So you need to understand how it will be helpful for you. And then types of hazards regarding these particular areas. These are the 4 modules. And risk management under module 7, unit 7. Understanding risk management, what it is, concept of risk assessment and risk matrix. How can you assess the risk? Different risk assessment matrix, control measure hierarchy, and personnel protective equipment, PPE. You know, in different industries, we are using PPE based on the particular business nature or workplace nature. So what you need to use, where to use, how to use, that will be discussed under module 28. And safety documentation. In module 29, behavior-based safety management. How we can make people behave in the safety measures. Health and safety KPIs, safety and health regulation, global and local perspective. What are the basic regulations you need to maintain? An introduction to ISO 45001 and OSHA's 18001, which is a safety regulation again. Then unit 9, safety management, review safety guideline, check sheet, safety permits, safety reports. I mean, how you can ensure the safety management perspective, not exactly the raw hand or the working hand type. There is a managerial role in the safety perspective. And unit 10, safety audit and prevention. How can you do the audit or prepare for the audit? Or the concept and causes and prevention, safety inspection and auditing, investigation and reporting, and emergency response mechanism. So these are the 10 units and 40 modules you will be learning during this course period. I'm sure now Mr. Topon can connect how this learning can be beneficial in the workplace, how they can use this, any professional can use this learning in their workplace. Francisco, now you can ask your question, please.
I am a worker or I am a manager or I am the top management, one of the managers, you see. So what is my position when I'm working in a setup? I should say I am an auditor, I am a safety management expert. What will be my position that I claim my role and job and consulting to do? I am ISO 14000 auditor. I did masters in environmental management system. Okay, so after doing this post-graduation diploma, how I can introduce that I am expert on this and I could work like this. The position will be like this. Am I clear to you?
I'm not very much clear about you. This is a post-graduate and there will be transcript, and the transcript shows all the subject names. That is what we can tell you. Thank you very much. Mr. Francisco, please, what you are asking? Okay, any other question from anyone else?
Hello, and this is Mahid Hassan. Actually, we are working in shoe manufacturing factory. And lastly, several times I was in shoe manufacturing company. And actually, our requirement is basically our main requirement is chemical side is very essential for us. I am actually, when I see this your program and WhatsApp Facebook group, that I am so much appreciated, and I accept it. And it is if every can understand these topics according to your subject total subject 10, and each subject is 4 modules. That means total 40 modules. We can, if we can complete it, I think as per my experience, each and everybody in each and every sector, they can success. This is my opinion. If we can learn these topics accordingly as per our requirement, we can any sector, like not only shoe factory, not only garments, not only textile. I think as per my little bit experience, I think everybody can achieve and everybody can learn more. Already, you first session, you already you
Thank
just
you very much,
informed.
Navid Bhai, for endorsement. Thank you.
Yes.
Maheshi Ibra. Maheshi, you raised your hand. Please stop, unmute and talk.
Yes, Mrs. Aid, hello and everyone.
Yes.
How are you? I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes.
I appreciate the opportunity to be part of this this program, and I've seen two brothers and one sister from Uganda, and I welcome them. Now, I wanted to know whether in this orientation, you're going to share with us that presentation so that we can reflect on the different units and also look at the summary of the modules that we are going to look at, because, you know, in the orientation, because of time, we are faster, but we can always go back and refer to what you are saying. And
we will share the presentation video as well. We will share the detailed video link and also the
presentation will be shared.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Any other question? All right. So if there is no other question, no problem at all. What will we do after this orientation? As our resource persons told you, Mr. Rakesh, can you please tell in 1-2 minutes time what will be the basic learning from this course?
Yeah, as I said earlier, we are looking at occupational safety and health. So just now I saw a few questions from each of you all. You see, when you talk about occupational safety and health, what you're getting here is information and education about safety and health issues, all right? How you're going to use it in your workplace, it all depends on you. We can only give you the education part, we can give you the training, and we can give you what the lessons that we learn as experienced safety practitioners. And how you use it in your workplace, it all depends on what position you guys are. This diploma certification will not give you a position. It all depends on your company that gives you that position. We will give you the knowledge. So how you use the knowledge is up to you. That means which position you are in the company. That means you either become a safety manager, or you are an ISO auditor, or you are an inspector or a promoter in oil and gas. It all depends on the company, which direction they are giving you. But with this diploma, you can use to heighten your knowledge and also your position in that safety department. All right. So this is the main thing that you all need to get.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Rakesh, for sharing your knowledge. And the course, we will usually, you can understand that the resource persons are the practitioner people, the consulting role they are playing, so that they can easily give you the ideas, how can apply the skill set in your workplace. So that is what will be discussed in each and every classes, not only the theories, but also the practical perspective, the video tutorials, the cases, the tools. So in different aspects, you will be equipped so that you can easily have the confidence and courage and also the techniques to apply the skill sets in your own organization. So in a nutshell, that will be a very, very realistic and real life experienced course you will be enjoying for the next 8 months time, and you can apply this skill set in your workplace, wherever the positions you are holding. So with that note, we can conclude it here today. Thank you once again for joining us, and the humble submission to all of you. If you feel the course is really worthy for the professional, please promote or share through your timeline in Facebook and LinkedIn, so that anybody in your network can understand and can know about this course, and they can also become part of this course. Thank you once again. Take care and good night from my side.